Assalamu alaikum. So this is part 3. Momentum of a moving object. The amount of momentum P possessed by the moving object is the product of mass m and velocity v. And we have the equation m equal mv, m times v. Write a program that prompts the user to enter masses 1, m1 and m2 and v1, v2 of two objects. The program calculates and prints the momentum of the two objects is ascending order. So first we have to declare mass 1 and mass 2. So float m1, m2, v1, v2, momentum to 1 and momentum 2. After that we have to ask, so C out, enter the mass and velocity of object number. So Cn, here we have m1 and v1, and also for m2 and v2. After that we have to write the momentum 1. So if you want to find the momentum 1, it is equal mass 1 times, or m1, because we declare it as m1 times v1. And for momentum 2, it is equal m2 times v2. If momentum 1 less than momentum 2, so C out the momentum 1 or the momentum of the first object is, here to write momentum 2 and the momentum of the first object is, here momentum 1 end line. Else C out, same thing but for the second. So here second, so the momentum of the second object is, and here momentum so here momentum 1, here momentum 2. So here second, I'm sorry for I messed up. Okay, so here second momentum, momentum 2, and for the momentum 1 moment to 1 and end line. Return 0 and close the bracket. For the next one, write a program that reads two positive integers from the user and performs the following operation. Find the sum if both numbers are even or both are odd, and print the sum. Find the difference if one number is odd and the other number is even. So if we have two numbers, both of them are even or odd, so we have to find or to print the sum. And if we have two numbers, one of the number is odd and the other is even, so that means we have to print the difference. As always, declare num and num2, cout, here enter the two positive integers, and we have cn num1 and num2. After that we write if. So if num1 modulus 2 equal 0 and num2 modulus 2 equal 0. So if num1 and num2 are even, or num1 modulus 2 equal 1 and num2 modulus 1 equal 1, 2, that mean cout or cout the sum is, and we have to write m1 plus num2 end line, else it will be the difference, which is cout the sum is num1 minus num2 end line, and we have return 0 and close the bracket. Third one, here we have freezing and boiling temperature. Here we have the given the following tables, which contains the freezing and boiling points of several substances. Here we have ethyl and oxygen. So we have the sample here. So he enter the temperature, he write negative 230, so it will be ethyl freezing and oxygen freezes. Here he, for the second one, he print negative 150, that means ethyl freezes and oxygen boils. 81, ethyl boils, oxygen boils. Negative 201, ethyl freezes. 18, oxygen boils. So we have declare int the temperature. So temperature, cout, enter the temperature, and we have cn the temperature. Here we have if. So first, if temperature is less than or equal negative 290, that means cout ethyl freezes, and oxygen freezes. Else if here temperature less than negative 188, so cout ethyl freezes. Else if here temperature less than or equal negative 144, cout ethyl freezes. And oxygen boils. Else if temperature less than 78, cout oxygen boils. Here I have to write int line for each of one. Here int line, and here also int line. Else it will be ethyl boils, oxygen boils. And return 0 and close the bracket. So, and now we have the last one. So the last one, factor of a number. Write a program that prompts the user to enter a positive integer. The program prints the factors of integer. Enter a positive integer 236, and the factor of 236 are 1, 2, 4, 59, 118, 236. So first we have to declare int number, and we can make k equal 1. C out, enter a positive integer, cn number. Here we have C out the factor. We don't have to write it now, we just have to write while. So here while k less than or equal the number, that means if number modulus k equal 0, so that means C out k. Here to make t k plus close the bracket, C out end line to make space, and return 0 and close the bracket. So this is the end of this part. Yeah.